Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph from Pioneering. In this video, I'm going to show you how administrators can manually add new students into the system. Now, the system actually provides three different admission options: manual entry, batch upload via an Excel file, and online admissions. But in this tutorial, we are focusing on manual entry, perfect for schools that want full control when registering students individually. Let's get into it. From the dashboard, go to Manage Students in the side menu to access the student's model, or click the student's info card on the dashboard. Click on Add Student. Immediately, you are presented with a well-structured, comprehensive student registration form. Everything is organized clearly to make the process smooth and efficient. The first section captures the student's biodata and login information. This becomes extremely valuable later when generating reports, tracking performance, or handling administrative decisions. The system further allows collection and usage of students' email and phone numbers, but is currently disabled for our demo school, which is set for a preschool or basic school mode. Now that is where the system becomes even more powerful. Under the Parent or Guardian section, you can add a brand new parent while registering the student. Parents can also be added to the system via the parent model, but everything is centralized here for fast admission. Select an existing parent already in the system, or skip the parent section temporarily if the data isn't available yet. That flexibility is intentional. If you add a new parent, simply fill in the parent's details: name, phone number, email, etc. Once saved, the parent profile is available throughout the system. So if you're registering siblings, you don't repeat the same information. This keeps the database clean and organized. Next is who pays fees and who the student stays with. Specify who is responsible for paying the student's fees and who the student lives with. The system automates these areas when a parent is selected, asking if the same person pays the fees and also lives with the child in order to move the process along. This may seem small, but it plays a major role in automated fee billing, SMS or email notifications, financial tracking, accountability. The system ensures that communication and billing go to the right person every single time. That reduces confusion and improves transparency. If the student has ever been enrolled in a school, enter previous school information, including the class and the reason for leaving the previous school. Select the options that apply to the student and the medical history. This includes student's blood group, disability, or any illness. For more detailed information on a student, use the medical log. These details become necessary in handling each student's case in the future when the need arises. And transport and feeding. If your school offers transport and feeding services, you can assign them right here. For transport, if the student takes the school bus, select pickup location, assign route and vehicle. Specify who is authorized to pick or bring the student to school. The system only allows pickup of students after or within school hours to the person or persons specified here, ensuring security of all students. This is best if there are any legal issues where one parent has custody of a child of another, or other variations that may exist. The system also allows setting up an authorized persons list, which should be covered in another video, where parents can direct the school to allow properly identified persons to pick or send their awards to school on their behalf, like nannies, drivers, or even grandparents. Administrators can then upload the image and info of the said persons to be linked to students. Parent inclusion allows either one of the parents to pick up the student in addition to those specified in the table. Choose Auth as type if the person exists in the authorized list. Otherwise, choose Parent for an existing parent of the school other than the main parent of the child. In cases where neighbors are allowed to pick up students on behalf of the main parents, reducing duplication of records if the person is already known by the school. For feeding, specify if the cost is part of fees or billing or is paid separately by selecting the type of meal offered, which is outlined in its model. Now, once you click Submit, the system automatically processes admission, enrolls the student into the selected class, if selected, creates the student's full profile, links parents' records, sets up financial accounts, and activates assigned services. It's efficient, accurate, and built to save administrators serious time. For growing schools, that efficiency becomes a game changer. The system pre-fills the date admitted and enrolled with today's date, which can be changed, copied, and pasted quickly without having to set the same dates for the other field. Set the status of the student. If dropped out or withdrawn, the system requires the cause for leaving to be stated. Add an optional admission number. You may set if ID cards of students should expire after a period, which can be renewed, or leave blank to denote no expiry till completion. The student type field is only available if your school runs a day and boarding system. This behavior can otherwise be disabled in the school settings. Enter any relevant info in the other details field about the student, or leave blank. Hide the side menu to have a broader look of the table if needed. Students' info are outlined beautifully in the table, with all relevant details and who to call when necessary, with a tap on the person's name. From the top, you may download the table by clicking the PDF or Excel buttons. Hide or show columns of the table based on relevance from the column visibility option. Change the number of rows in the table as you go, and use the search box to filter. In the action column of the table, you may update the student's image from the initially assigned avatar, which is based on the student's gender when an account is created. View or download student's QR code and ID card, or just regenerate a QR code, as well as delete the student. The system also allows setting up points for student conduct or behavior, covered in another video. Update each student's data by clicking the pencil icon in that row. Save changes when done. Deletion is permanent, so you must understand its consequences before taking the action. Although this video focuses on manual entry, remember you also have access to batch upload option, perfect for bulk admissions, online admissions where parents apply digitally and admins approve. That flexibility means the system adapts to your school, not the other way around. Manually adding a student isn't just entering data. It's about creating a structured, reliable, and automated academic record from day one. This system was designed to solve real administrative challenges schools face, especially when managing growth. If your school is looking for organization, automation, and clarity in student management, this model alone shows how powerful the system truly is. Thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, we will explore more features that continue to simplify school administration. See you in the next one.